Hi guys, this is Gabby from Tycorun. Now I'm in South Africa. Welcome to Tycorun's South Africa office. Today I'm going to show you our top performing electric motorcycles. This motorcycle built for power, durability, and smart fleets. Let's see why it's the best choice for your business. First, the speed can reach to 110 km per hour, and it can easily handle the highway and the slope. Let's see. It's made for tough road and steel body. With the 18-inch wheels, it's very strong, and also with LED lights. Steel bodies, crash guard, and big wheels keep you safe and rolling, unlike the scooters. If you worry about long range, don't worry about this. Our battery can run 300 km. This is perfect for all-day delivery, right? About the price, this is 60% cheaper than the oil gasoline motorcycle. So if you're interested about battery swapping solution, please feel free to contact Tycorun. Thank you for listening. See you next time.